All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Saturday phrasal verb. So find out. To learn about something. To learn about something. Yeah. We will find out who said that. I will find out who said that. Yeah. They will find out where you're hiding. Yeah. Oops. I will find out what happens later on. Yeah, I will wait. I'll wait. How cool is that? I want to find out the answer. The answer. I will find out the best place to relax. Yes. She will find out who won the contest. Yeah. How cool is that? They are going to find out before me. See, they are going to find out before me. They're going to find out the ending soon. They will find out the ending soon. Yeah. She will find out what I did before the video. Makes sense? Okay. I will find out what she ate last night. Yeah. Find out and learn something. I thought you already found out what happens. I did not find out what happened until a few days later. Yeah. He found out the answers after me. He found out the answers after me. How cool is that? We're going to find out together. Yeah. I will find out what it means by learning more. We'll find out what the future holds eventually. Yes. We'll find out what happens. Yeah, how cool is that? Do you think they will find out tonight? They might find out what I've been up to. They might find out what I've been up to, unless anything. They might find unless I tell them first. Yeah. They like to find out what I do all the time when I tell them. Yeah. She wants to find out more about my life. Yeah, to learn more. To learn more about something. Find out the answer. Find out the secret. Find out who did it. Find out who said it. Find out who wrote this. Can you find out who wrote this? Can you find out who wrote this? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So can you use find out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you search my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.